When it comes to enhancing the comfort of your home, energy-efficient windows are one of the most important upgrades you can make. Not only do these windows help to regulate the temperature inside your home, but they also reduce your energy bills, provide better insulation, and create a more comfortable living environment throughout the year. However, while selecting energy-efficient windows is crucial, proper installation is just as important in ensuring these benefits are fully realized. In this article, we'll explore how energy-efficient windows and their correct installation can transform your home's comfort levels, keeping your interior temperature stable, your energy usage low, and your space more pleasant year-round. Understanding energy-efficient windows. Before diving into the importance of proper installation, it's important to understand what makes windows energy efficient. These windows are specifically designed to reduce the amount of energy your home loses through the windows. Key features include double or triple pane glass. These windows feature multiple layers of glass, creating air pockets between them that act as an insulator. This reduces heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E coatings are thin layers of metal oxide applied to the glass, which reflect heat while allowing sunlight to pass through. In colder months, low-E glass reflects warmth back inside your home, and in warmer months, it blocks excess heat from entering. Gas-filled windows. Many energy-efficient windows are filled with insulating gases like argon or krypton between the panes. These gases further reduce heat transfer and prevent air leaks. Weatherproof frames. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and wood-clad windows provide excellent insulation and are less likely to warp or fade over time. Together, these features work to enhance your home's insulation, keeping your home at a comfortable temperature no matter the season. However, without proper installation, even the best energy-efficient windows may not perform to their full potential. The role of proper installation. While energy-efficient windows can significantly improve your home's insulation, proper installation is critical to unlocking these benefits. Even the best quality windows can fail to perform optimally if they are not installed correctly. Here's how the installation process directly impacts your home's comfort. Sealing gaps and preventing air leaks. A key factor in improving your home's comfort is eliminating air leaks. During installation, if windows are not sealed properly, you could end up with gaps around the window frame. These gaps allow drafts to enter, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. A professional installation ensures that weather stripping and sealants are used effectively to close all gaps and prevent drafts. Correct sizing and fit. Even the most energy-efficient windows will not perform properly if they are not the correct size for your window frame. If the window is too small or too large, there may be gaps that allow air to leak, reducing its insulation properties. Professional installers take precise measurements to ensure that your new windows fit snugly and correctly in your existing window frames. Alignment and proper operation. For windows with moving parts, such as double-hung windows, proper alignment during installation is essential. Misalignment can lead to windows that do not close properly, leading to energy loss. Additionally, Windows that don't close tightly can let in outside noise and make it harder to regulate your home's temperature. Ensuring that windows close securely and operate smoothly is key to maintaining energy efficiency. Preventing condensation. Poor installation can also lead to condensation problems. When windows are improperly sealed or the installation is faulty, moisture can get trapped between the panes, leading to fogging, mildew, or mold. Professional installers use the right techniques and materials to prevent this, ensuring your windows maintain optimal clarity and functionality. Improved year-round comfort. Once your energy-efficient windows are installed correctly, you'll immediately notice a difference in your home's comfort, both in summer and winter. Summer comfort. During the hot summer months, energy-efficient windows reduce heat gain from the sun, keeping your home cooler without over-relying on air conditioning. With the right installation, these windows will block the sun's UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter, creating a bright but cool environment. This means your air conditioner won't have to work as hard, lowering cooling costs and reducing the environmental impact of excessive energy use. Winter comfort. In the colder months, energy-efficient windows help to retain heat inside your home, keeping the space cozy without the need for constant heating. The insulating properties of double or triple pane glass, combined with low E coatings, ensure that warm air stays inside while cold air stays out. This reduces the strain on your heating system, leading to lower heating costs and a more comfortable indoor environment. Long-term savings. The cost savings from installing energy-efficient windows don't just apply to your monthly utility bills. Proper installation also contributes to long-term savings by reducing the need for repairs and ensuring the windows last longer. A properly installed window will have a better seal, preventing air leaks that can lead to wear and tear on your heating and cooling systems. This means fewer maintenance costs and a longer lifespan for both your windows and your HVAC system. Additionally, many professional installers offer warranties on their work, meaning if something goes wrong, you won't have to worry about paying for costly repairs. This added security makes professional window installation a sound investment. Environmental impact. Finally, the environmental benefits of energy-efficient windows cannot be overstated. Reducing energy consumption by preventing drafts and improving insulation helps lower your home's overall carbon footprint. Proper installation ensures that the windows are performing at their best, contributing to a greener home and reducing the energy needed to maintain a comfortable indoor climate. Conclusion. The importance of professional installation for energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows are a great investment for improving the comfort, energy efficiency, and sustainability of your home. However, to get the full benefits, proper installation is crucial. With expert installation, you'll enjoy better insulation, lower utility bills, and a more comfortable home throughout the year. Whether you're upgrading your windows for improved energy savings or simply to enhance your home's comfort, ensuring that your new windows are installed correctly is key to maximizing their performance and long-term benefits.